Afternoon everyone, we are coming from Takshila Public School and here all are the students represent are their models and one of the most favorite student are our topic is 4th class states of matter. They have to say about this.
Hello ma'am, a very warm welcome to our EVS work station. We all are from class 4 from Takshila Public School. My name is Sandha. Meet my friends Ifa, Anna, Harshita. We all are here to represent our topic states of matter. Now I explain you about matter. Matter is anything that we can see and touch is called matter. For example, as you can see here, water, benches, table, etc. In fact, something that we cannot even see such as air are also matter. Can you find other example of matter around you? Alright sir, now I explain you about states of matter. Matter exists in different forms or states and the different states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. While we can see and touch solid or liquid but we can only feel most air and not see them. Sir, do you know what is matter made up of? Alright sir, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Different things are made up of different types of particles. For example, an iron bolt is made up of iron particles. But arrangement of the particles define the form or state in which matter is present. So matter may be solid, liquid or gas based on the way the particles are arranged. Now I explain about the particles arrangement in solid matter that has a defined shape is called a solid. For example, ball, dust, a cube, etc. The noun does not flow. Its shape applied on it does not change until a lot of force because of the way particles arrange in solid. Now I explain you about liquid particles. Matter does not have a definite shape and take the shape of the container. When we put is called a liquid. We can we cannot see and touch a liquid. For example, oil, water and honey, etc. In liquid, the attraction between particles is weaker than that solid. Due to this, the particles in liquid are loosely arranged. We can slide over one another. In a liquid, there is enough space for the particles to move. Now I explain you about gas particles. Matter that flow freely and does not have a shape of its own and occupy space is called gases. Unlike liquid, we cannot hold and pour, but we can store them in a closed container. For example, chips, pack, balloon and perfume. Can you guess why? Okay, this is because the way particles are arranged in gases, the particles attract in gases are randomly. Due to these gases have not fixed shape, can flow freely and occupy space is called gases. Thank you. Hope you understand our topic. Thank you.